Okay, so what do we have in our church if Christ is known sa ating iglesia? Okay, is known, ano? Meron pong N yan. Okay, so we have restoration in His image. So we are restored in the image of God. Sabi ni Pablo in verse number 15, He is the image of the invisible God. Okay, the firstborn of all creation. Now, we talk about that our image was broken because of sin, but Jesus Christ is the exact representation of God. He is the restorer of broken image of God sa buhay ng tao. And that's why when a person has the Lord Jesus Christ, his broken image because of sin was restored by the Lord Jesus Christ. Okay? So lahat ng mga may Kristo sa buhay, yung kanilang mga imahe ng Diyos sa buhay nila, ni-restore ng Diyos. Okay? Binalik ng Diyos sa dating anyo, dating plano ng Diyos. Meaning, yung mga walang Kristo sa buhay, yung kanilang buhay ngayon basag pa rin. Okay? Regardless kung meron man silang church o wala, no? Pero pag wala silang Kristo sa buhay, ang buhay ay basag ng kasalanan. Pero nung si Kristo ay pumasok sa buhay natin, sabi ni Pablo, we have this restoration into our original image when God created us in Genesis chapter 2. We were created in the image of God, in the likeness of God. Okay? So, ni-restore ng Diyos sa kay Kristo. So that is what we have when our church is known or when Christ is known sa ating iglesia. So lahat ng mga imahe natin, God has restored already in the Lord Jesus Christ.